After many tense minutes, the animal luckily decides to spare them and continues in the opposite direction. Watch this close encounter with one of Earth's most powerful creatures, the rhinoceros. With an unexpected burst of speed, the rhino charges toward them. It's a heart-pounding moment as the rhino gives chase. All right, picture this incredible scenario. They find themselves in the company of a massive Komodo dragon on Pinka Island. And here comes the twist. Instead of the expected intimidation, the dragon turns